Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joe Hendy, the Android Authority App Guy. Do you like stronger mobile signal and faster speeds? I know I do, so after the intro, we'll show you some of the best Wi-Fi and signal boosting apps for Android. First on our list is called Android Wi-Fi Signal Booster. This fun little app helps you analyze your Wi-Fi connection and strength so you can find a better connection. While this isn't really useful for home applications, finding the best Wi-Fi spot in, say, an airport terminal can be really useful. The app essentially lists all of the Wi-Fi hotspots where you are. You can then go to radar view to see which ones have the strongest connection. There is a signal booster and people say that it works, so there is that too. Next on our list is an app called Network Signal Speed Booster. This is a simple application that takes your phone through a few steps to help increase your call and signal strength. And when we say this app is simple, we mean it is like really simple. Here's how it works. You open the app and then you wait. That's really all there is to it. The app performs all of the steps for you and even lists them out so you know what's going on with your device. So if you're not a technologically inclined person, this is a great app to try. One thing these apps have in common is that they're all pretty simple to use, and Wi-Fi 3G Signal Booster is no exception. Aside from Wi-Fi and data signals, it can also do Bluetooth if you need stronger connections there. Unlike most of these apps, this one has no trouble detailing exactly what it does to get better signal. Here's how it works. You just click a button and wait a couple of minutes and the app does what it needs to do. So again, it's very simple and easy to use process that can be helpful for a quick fix if you need it. Wi-Fi Manager isn't a boosting app on the face of it, but it does help properly manage what Wi-Fi spots you do connect to, which could affect what speed you get. It does offer a few options that you don't normally have, like switching from a fixed to a dynamic DHCP. Again, this isn't a boosting app in the traditional sense. However, if you're at a place where there are a lot of Wi-Fi hotspots, picking the one with the best signal can increase your speed more than boosting a really bad connection would. The main theme of this app list is that you have to do very little to see results, and Wi-Fi Signal Speed Booster fits that perfectly. This app looks at your Wi-Fi speed in real time and then shows you its potential. You then click the button to fix your Wi-Fi and it should get a little better. Because this one was so ridiculously simple and claimed significant speed boosts, we gave this one a speed test. In our first result, it went from 7 megabits per second download to 15 megabits per second download, or more than double the speed. However, we suspected something was fishy, so we uninstalled it and ran it again, which gave us 10 megabits per second. So it actually bogs down your Wi-Fi a little bit to make the increase look more dramatic, but it actually does increase the speed at least a little bit on its own. If you take a look at our leaderboard, you can see how some of these apps stack up against one another. As per the norm, these ratings are based on download numbers and Google Play Store ratings, so there is no bias on our part. These apps all essentially do the same kind of tweaks. They'll restart your modems so you can get a cleaner connection to a closer tower and things like that. There are no magic powers at work here, and some may consider this kind of stuff snake oil since it really doesn't do much more than your phone is capable of doing on its own. So do understand that with apps like this isn't a super magic fix, and as always, your mileage may vary. Although we try not to, there is every possibility that we may have missed a good signal or Wi-Fi booster app, so if there's one you really like and we didn't mention it, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Once again, I'm Joe Hendy, the Android Authority App Guy. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our social media links in the video description.